Yeah, I think some of the terms.
Hey, Internet friends, Magic Brad here. I'm in Charlotte, North Carolina at the Transform event. And there's hundreds of people here, majority of them female, coaches and consultants, and they're all looking to transform their business, bring it to another level. I'm building another area of my business where I'm going to help entertainers use internet marketing to book more gigs. Entertainers being like magicians like myself, hypnotists, jugglers, ventriloquists, dancers, caricaturists, entertainers of all sorts. So I'm going to be bringing that and launching that soon here. And part of it will be using the Internet Lifestyle Network to utilize blogs and things to promote out to event planners. And so look forward to sharing that with some people. There'll be more that will be on my blog at magicbrad.me. Enjoy your day.